Money set aside to help people cover their water bills during the pandemic is about to dry up. Good evening and thanks so much for joining us. I'm Marcella Lee. A new bill was just introduced that aims to make that assistance permanent nationwide. CBS 8's Jenny Day is working for you tonight and has information that could help if you're struggling to pay your bills. Jenny?
The first ever National Water Assistance Program went into effect right at the heart of COVID. Congress approved about $1 billion, and it helped more than 1 million families keep the water on. And that's why Senator Alex Padilla is suggesting the federal government continue to help.
Access to clean drinking water is, a fundamental human right. It's not a luxury. We need it to bathe, we need it to cook, we need it to hydrate our bodies.
Good, safe, clean drinking water may be considered a fundamental right, but not all can afford it. We Zoomed with Senator Alex Padilla from Capitol Hill. He says 1 in 3 Americans struggle to pay their water bill.
The cost of water has been going up for a number of reasons, whether it's the need to modernize infrastructure, the need to ensure that the water running through the pipes is clean.
The low-income household water assistance program prevented the water from being turned off for 753,000 homes and reduced 679,000 water bills. It now needs congressional approval to continue. The Democratic senator backing the bill compared it to home energy and nutrition assistance, saying water rate assistance is crucial for public health and economic prosperity.
For the same reasons that there's federal programs and resources available to help people pay their gas bill, because we know that as a country, you shouldn't freeze in the winter just because you're low income.
Senator Padilla told me household water and sewer bills have risen more than 50% over the past decade. The average San Diegan set to pay $100 a month by this time next year due to recent rate hikes.
People should not be put in the position of, can you afford the water bill or can you afford the rent?
The proposed bill suggests having the same income eligibility requirements as other programs like LIHEAP, SNAP, and TANF, as well as SSI, the Supplemental Security Income, and means-tested veterans programs. So if you already qualify for one of those, you'd be in for this.
Sometimes there are significant costs to maintain infrastructure that's needed, and not as many people willing to absorb big spikes in your water bill. And so just from a fairness and equity standpoint, we know this program is needed.
And there's no specific timeline for when this bill could be voted on. Senator Padilla said the focus this week is avoiding a government shutdown. Working for you, Jenny Day, CBS 8.